So my name is Gyanendra Kumar and I am biology NEET faculty. So students, today we will see a very important point of our cell, the unit of life, that is difference between gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Students, you all know Christian Gram was a great scientist. Actually Christian Gram divided gram positive and gram negative bacteria. He only divided all bacteria into gram positive and gram negative bacteria, basically mainly on the basis of their cell wall, right? And so of course between gram positive and gram negative bacteria there is a difference in cell wall. Some other differences are also there. Both type of differences here we'll see. See student, if we'll see the cell wall of gram positive, any bacteria, if we'll see their cell wall, so their cell wall have a compound that is called peptidoglycan. This is what major compound present in the cell wall of bacteria. This peptidoglycan is also called murine, or it's also called mucopeptide. Mucopeptide, murine or mucopeptide. Guys, murine or mucopeptide present in the cell wall of the gram positive bacteria also, gram negative bacteria also. But you see here the peptidoglycan layer is quite thick in gram positive bacteria, but in gram negative bacteria that mucopeptide layer or peptidoglycan layer is thin. So first difference between gram positive and gram negative bacteria is what? Peptidoglycan thick in gram positive bacteria and peptidoglycan is thin in gram positive bacteria. Are you getting, students? Second difference is what, student? See, in gram positive bacteria, peptidoglycan containing cell wall is only outermost layer. Out of that nothing is there. But here in gram negative bacteria, the cell wall, the peptidoglycan containing layer is not only outermost layer. Next to that, one lipoprotein layer present, and next to lipoprotein they have another membrane like cell membrane. This another membrane is called here outer membrane. Are you getting what I am saying here? Outside, see, inside of course, inside to the cell wall everywhere, either it is gram positive or gram negative bacteria, they have cell membrane or plasma membrane. But here outside of the peptidoglycan lipoprotein layer, and next to peptidoglycan more outside they have another membrane that is called outer membrane. The outer membrane is have also lipid bilayer and it will be also exactly like a cell membrane. But in our outer membrane, next to outer membrane, they have another layer that is called lipopolysaccharide layer, and this lipopolysaccharide only causes our gram negative bacteria causes more disease. Why our gram negative bacteria causes more disease? Because of presence of this lethal material lipopolysaccharide. Lipopolysaccharide promote pathogenicity. Lipopolysaccharide promote disease caused by gram negative bacteria. Clear? Now, if you will see the composition of peptidoglycan, students, peptidoglycan, either it is gram positive or gram negative, it have two sugars, two derived sugar. One is N-acetyl glucosamine, another one is N-acetylmuramic acid. Either it is gram positive bacteria or gram negative bacteria, the peptidoglycan composition, if you will see, so they have N-acetyl glucosamine, N-acetylmuramic acid, and small amino acid peptide is present. So small amino acid chain is present. So NAG and NAM is same in both places, but there will be difference in composition of peptide here. That is difference in peptide is present here also. Peptide is present in the peptidoglycan also, but that peptide will be different. How it will be different? Let's see. If we will see the gram positive bacteria, in gram positive bacteria, L-alanine amino acid present. In gram positive bacteria, D-alanine amino acid present. In gram positive bacteria, L-lysine amino acid present. Here you see in gram negative bacteria. In gram negative bacteria peptide, L-alanine is present. D-alanine is also present, which is common here, but L-lysine is absent there. L-lysine is absent. Then what is unique they have? They have another unique amino acid, diaminopimelic acid. Mind it, remember it. Diaminopimlic acid present in gram-negative bacteria, but it's absent in gram-positive bacteria. L-lysine present in gram-positive bacteria, right? That L-lysine is absent in gram-negative bacteria, right? And our gram-positive bacteria have also D-glutamic acid. Here also they have D-glutamic acid. Our gram-positive bacteria, you know, another more amino acid glycine, which is absent here, right? So this is what difference in composition of peptide present in peptidoglycan. Clear? Another difference is what, guys? See, mesosome. We all know mesosome is a folding, which is a projection which project in the cytoplasm of the bacteria, right? That mesosome, you know, it will be present in gram-positive bacteria, that will be absent in gram-negative bacteria, right? Pili, if you will observe, pili, you know, small hair-like projection, not large like flagella, it will be smaller than the flagella. This pili is a hair-like projection that is coming out from the cell wall, from the cell membrane of the bacteria. That pili which is observed, that this pili is absent in gram-positive bacteria, and that pili will be present in gram-negative bacteria. And last difference is what? In the cell wall of the gram-positive bacteria, teichoic acid is present. That teichoic acid is absent in gram-negative bacteria. So this is what difference between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria remaining. We will see in next class. Bye, students.